Good afternoon, guys. It's a beautiful Sunday, if you can't see, and we got a new box here. So box day is always a fun day. We're gonna do a quick unboxing and probably not install it right now just because I don't have time today, but I wanna show you guys what we got. All right, for those of you that know, I get most of my stuff actually from this guy on Facebook from SoCal named Peter Carla. Karla. Look him up if you want. He's got me the best price on like pretty much majority of the things I've put on my car. So he actually has the same exact car I have, but he actually tracks on a regular basis. So he has really good insights as to what to use, what to get, and how to set up my car. So if you've got a 9871 and looking for some insight as to how to make a really good trackable setup, hit up Peter. He's awesome. He also can get you parts, pretty much whatever you need. So check him out. Let's see what he got me lately. Oh. Get this packing out of the way. Oh, this is gonna be sick. Let's see what we got. See if I need this one-handed. All right, so got ourselves this bad boy, quick release hub. No idea how to install these yet, but I will figure it out. And then what I'm most excited about is this thing. Let's check it out. All right, let's see if I can open this with one hand. Probably not. If I can, that's quite a feat. I have just genuinely been enjoying driving this car lately. It's been just more and more fun. Ready? The assist. There's the horn button. The Momo, which actually I got a Porsche horn button that's en route, so we will check that out. Oh, little side tracking here. Check this out. We have got a GT3 brake reservoir that helps. Again, shout out to Fat New N on IG with the recommendation. That's going in with some steel braided brake lines. That is going to massively impact my braking ability. So we'll see how that actually unfolds. Thanks for the shout out or the recommendation. And let's check out this wheel here. Get some directions that I probably will screw up at least 4 or 5 times. We're dealing with airbags again, so that's always fun. But all right, and I got the Mod 0.69 model wheel, which is a 350 mil wheel with this black suede along the outside. So let's see what she looks like. Oh my gosh, I've always wanted a racing steering wheel. Never had one. It's so stupid, but just one of those things where they look sick. They probably feel better, and it's going to be better for me driving on the track when I do, if I ever do. Oh my gosh, this thing is sick. Check that out. Oh my gosh, this is going to be dope. Don't mind my schoolgirl excitement. Let's see what the difference looks like. All right, so it's literally almost the same full diameter as the OEM wheel, maybe like, I don't know, 3 or 4 millimeters smaller, but it's much thicker. So this wheel has contours on the back. You can see them a little bit for your fingers. The stock wheel also has some contours, but come on, just can't beat the Momo steering wheel setup. It's gonna look so good once I get my matching passenger seat in, the roll bar setup, and little by little this thing is coming together. I'm contemplating a CAE shift kit. You guys give me your 2 cents. I've got the numeric shift kit in here right now, short shift, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I do that, or should I just leave the numeric in? And we've got some other stuff coming, so whew, I love it. Looks so cool. There you have it, the Momo .69 suede steering wheel. So it's pretty light, just feels industrial, feels like a track piece of equipment instead of like, you know, all this old school stuff. And what I like about the Porsche wheel anyways is that we're really not missing much, because all I've got are the horns here and the airbags. So once I get my harnesses in for my seats and we've got the horn button hooked up in the center here, I'm gonna be pretty much, I'm gonna be pretty well intact with everything aside from the airbag. But with the harnesses in place, we shouldn't need the airbag because those things will keep me nice and snug. And yeah, pretty sweet. Also, still need to lower my seat position in the car. I drove it to get some coffee and breakfast today, and yes, it needs lowered and probably a little bit further back. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust that. Pretty easy to do. I don't have to take the whole seat out, just gotta do this one, that one, and on the other side. And I did adjust the seatbelt buckle, so it's on the outside because it was killing my hip, and I'm gonna have harnesses soon anyways, so that's just the better way to go if I'm gonna be rocking both those, seatbelt for the road and harnesses when I get them. So all right, so stay tuned. I'm gonna do a how-to install video if I have patience and my wits about me. We did have our baby like 3 weeks ago, so I am running on a little to no sleep if you can't see it in my eyes. So bear with me as we get these videos up. And I will do a 3 week, or actually a 1 week baby review. Ownership of a baby after 1 week, what it's like for going from no parenthood experience, no baby experience whatsoever, to having a child in your life. So it's a blessing, but definitely tiring. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Talk to you guys soon.